Hello, 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 my sweethearts. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Double OMG. You guys see the blend? You guys see the color? If you want to see how I got this crochet done, please stay and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, sweethearts, let's get right into it. The hair that I got it from Amazon and it's called Authentic. I am putting up two different types of hair, but I am going to only be using one, which is the Authentic Water Wave 12 inches. It is the holidays, you guys, and this color was popping for me. I am cleaning out my closet, meaning I am using whatever hair I have in it, and we're just going to use it until there's no more. Okay, I did do my hair last night, you guys. I have a total of 8 braids. I connected 2 of them at the top to get, the closure. This is a protective style. The only rubber band that I do have is on the end of these. So I would say, is it a protective style? It really is, but just that little rubber band that's on the end. Okay, you guys, I am going to be adding more oil to my hair. Remember, this is a crochet. You're not going to be able to get to your scalp. So I like to grease and condition before we put it in. I do like to separate my hair into 2 or to 3. There's some that I separate into 2 and there's some that I separate to 3. So just make sure when you separate they're not too bulky, because if they're too bulky they will not lock. So as you can see, I'm twisting it a couple times because I am trying to lock that little braid part in, the connective braids. I want to make sure that that does not go anywhere. When you're knotting these up, remember this hair is long, so you're not going to worry about it coming loose because the hair is long. If the hair was short, then yes, you might have to knot it up a couple times. So I think one time is perfect for this. I'm not going to be putting this up into a ponytail or anything like that. I mean, you can if you want to, but I'm not. So I'm not really worried about the back. If you see, I'm going to do this perimeter, and that is going to be the perimeter for the back. Once you've got that line perimeter, you're good to go. Just start crocheting up. Make sure you can crochet close. I crochet a little closer to each other because I don't like to see the braids. If I was to shake my hair or move my head, I wouldn't want you to see the braids under it. That's just how I am. I want it to look as real as possible. So the closer you put the crochet onto the braids, the less you're going to see the braids. I used a total of 3.5 packs of this hair just to get the fullness to my liking. Please tell me y'all see this color. Do y'all see how beautiful this color is? It is popping and I super like it. Okay, you guys, when you are pulling these hair apart, make sure you are cutting some of the excess hair off, because you don't want to pull the hair down. If you try to pull the hair out, you're going to be pulling the curls out. So make sure you cut it instead of pulling. Okay, sweethearts, I'm going to get to work and I'm going to talk to you guys in a minute. Okay, adding this extra part, as you can see, there is a part in the middle of my head, but I kind of did want a side part, so I'm showing you how to get an extra side part instead of braiding it in. You can just crochet that part in and then cover it up. Around the edges, perimeter, make sure you're using tiny, smaller pieces just to get the edges, just to blend them in a little better. And remember, when you're cutting, cut downward, do not cut side by side. This is my favorite part about my crochet and when I blend them, because I really want it to look more realistic. I want it to look natural. So we're going to take these steps just to make that happen. To keep my hair nice and conditioned and soft, I'm going to be using Curl La La. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. To get the blend, I'm just going to add the crochet hair and I'm going to add my natural hair with the Curl La La together and then just twist those together. The results are amazing, especially if you want to put your hair up into a ponytail, because that's how the naturalistic looks. That's how the realisticness looks when you blend your hair with the crochet hair. And we're going to add our edge control at the end as well to blend it even more. Today I'm using 24-hour edge tamer. If there is a edge tamer out there that does not turn white or flaky, can you guys please let me know in the comments below? I would appreciate it. Thank you so much. Doing this method, when I put my scarf around my edges, I'll do this every night, and then I'll add a bonnet on the top of my this. I'll put my hair into one ponytail and then add a bonnet, and that'll be how I go to bed at night. You guys, you don't have to do this method being though this hair is synthetic, but I just want to add a little shine to it. And these are the final results, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Oh my God, can you say bomb? This hair is beautiful. It's fluffy. It is you, baby, because it's definitely me. Please, my sweethearts, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most definitely subscribe. I love you even if I don't know you guys. I'll see you next time.